said about it. So before that also there is a gravitational force. So in the whole universe there are n number of the mysteries are existing today. There are a number of innovations, mysteries exist till today. But only people like us, people like you, should involve more and make it known to the world. That's what the country is looking for it. So we always relate, NASA has developed, European has developed, British have developed, some Chinese have developed, and those fellows have developed. But they are looking more into the practical approach, and we look into more on the theoretical approach. And once somebody invented, as I said, the best example is nano. Richard Feynman invented in 1859. Then that time our scientists spoke about it, it was there in our 320 BC sloka. Who stopped them to invent? Who stopped it? Nobody has stopped it. So we should have the temperament of innovation, the creativity. Then only the whole world is looking towards us. Tolerance is one side, but we have our inherent, the innovative thought process that should be made with the world. I can say our university is like this, but how do you ensure? Unless people have to experience, unless teacher has to experience, unless teacher has to experience it, whatever the system. So talking is different and implementation is different. So nobody could stop you to do the excellence in your work, excellence in your research, excellence in any activity, whatever the activities of the whatever you undertake. The physics of light, then there are so many other things. The advertise given the best example, and the speed of light was also calculated that time. So if you look at the speed of light, 1,85,016 miles per second. That was calculated and it was recorded in our and the Pascal, we used to talk about the Pascal, we used to talk about the why people should sit on the floor and eat the food. There is also a scientific relations to each and everything. But since the becoming more modern and we are not listening to the parents, we are not listening to the elders. And now this is the time to regain the knowledge. And the best part is, and he gave the book of Science in Sanskrit. It has a very good information. So it covers the entire thing. So it started with the astronomy, physics, engineering, aeronautics, chemistry, metallurgy. So metallurgy, you must have seen one of the Delhi iron pillar, which was done much before, almost 1,500 years before. Still it was not rusted. What are the technology they used? The Delhi is a very arid condition, very atmosphere. It has a high temperature, high cold, high rainfall, everything. But still it is not rusted. It is a challenge to the scientific world. So who taught our ancestors to make like this? Then mathematics, arithmetic, geometry, medicine, Ayurveda, walking, you name anything, even the politics of your words, the rishis, heritage, transcript, computers, even how your brain functions work, everything was recorded in the thing. Maybe this is the Madam Pramila, you can order this book to all the students and faculty, order some 600 books from the university side and give it to the free of cost and don't charge anything. You take that leave and issue to every student. Whether you read it or not, even if it is in your room, whenever you feel, go just glance it so that at least you can recall from where you come from, what purpose you come from, what is your duties, what for your future, and everything. Will take you to the few minutes to think about it. So that has been done, that university purpose is also will be fulfilled. And lastly, though I have not studied the Sanskrit, but I can read some of the Sanskrit, very just 15 commandments what has been written, and especially for the youth. And most of the graduates this will be take it as a oath also. So that is the, just I read out these few words and I will close it. That is all the Sanskrit words. Satyam vada, speak the truth. Dharmam chara, live righteously. Swadhyanam pramada, do not neglect the pursuit of knowledge. Matru devo bhava, love your mother as God. Pitru devo bhava, adore your father as God. Acharya devo bhava, respect your teacher as God. Atiti devo bhava, honor your guest as God. Shraddha deyam, give with faith. Vashraddhaya deyam, give not without faith. Sriya deyam, give with grace. Priya deyam, give with humility. Biya deyam, give with fear of God. Samveda deyam, give with understanding. Esha adesha, this is the command. Esha upadesha, this is the instruction. So this was written in the Sanskrit sloka those time, and which has been interpreted in the what is the meaning of those things. And even 10,000 years before or next 10,000 years before, as long as this earth exists, this character will be remain, it will not be vanished at all. So the intention of to promote this language, not to promote what the ideological, apart from your ideological thought process, you have to think of what kind of the innovative ideas, what your ancestors left for us to understand this language and its significance and its importance, so that you can try to live and you can try to inculcate in your character until your last day. That is the only the idea behind that. Not to that you can promote only the language. They have not made it into any mandatory kind of a thing. Those who are interested, those who are having a temperament of scientific temperament, you can go through this language, understand, and definitely that changes the lifestyle. With these few words, thank you, Vishal, for inviting me on this occasion and spoke about the few thought process and in this issue. Thank you.
धन्यवादाः। अस्माकं विश्वविद्यालयः एकः परिवारः, तस्य कुटुम्बस्य परिवारस्य ये मुख्याः अस्माकं कुलपतयः स्वस्य ज्ञानेन अनुभवेन च तथ्याधारितं विद एविडेंस सप्रमाणम् अनेकानि वैज्ञानिक तथ्यानि प्रमाणानि अस्माकं पुरतः प्रस्तुतवन्तः। सर्वेषामपि छात्राणाम् अपि च शिक्षकाणां मार्गदर्शनं कृतवन्तः। अस्माकं ऋषीणां यत् अनुसन्धानम् अस्ति, यत् रिसर्च अस्ति, तत् भिन्न भिन्न शास्त्ररूपेण संस्कृतभाषायां निहितम् अस्ति। संस्कृत केवल भाषा ही नहीं है, अपितु जिन जिन विषयों का हम अभी अंग्रेजी भाषा के माध्यम से अध्ययन करते हैं, उनका डीपली नॉलेज, जो गहन अध्ययन है, गहन विचार है, वो हमारे संस्कृत ग्रंथों में विद्यमान है। आज समय का अभाव है। अभी जिस पुस्तक के बारे में माननीय कुलपति महोदय ने बताया कि साइंस इन संस्कृत, वो प्रमिला महोदया आप सभी को उपलब्ध कराएंगे। उसकी पीडीएफ बना करके विश्वविद्यालय की वेबसाइट अथवा भिन्न भिन्न माध्यमों से आप सभी तक पहुंचाएंगे। आप अवश्य उसका अध्ययन कीजिए। ये केवल एक कान से सुनना और दूसरे से निकालने वाला भाषण अथवा कार्यक्रम नहीं है। हमारा जीवन, लाइफ स्टाइल कुछ ऐसी बन गई है, किसी भी कार्यक्रम में जाते हैं और फिर भूल जाते हैं। तो ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए। इस कार्यक्रम के महत्व को समझ करके और जो भी विषय, जो भी तथ्य प्रमाण माननीय कुलपति महोदय ने अथवा भिन्न भिन्न हमारे शिक्षकों ने आपके सम्मुख प्रस्तुत किए हैं, उनका आप एक बार जा करके चिंतन करें, मनन करें और अध्ययन करें। और उसमें से हम देख सकते हैं कि हम अपने जीवन में अपने राष्ट्र के लिए क्या कर सकते हैं। जैसे अभी चंद्रयान 3 लॉन्च किया, उनके जीवन का भी स्वप्न था, तो उन्होंने संस्कृत का डीपली अध्ययन करके और अपने राष्ट्र को विश्व पटल पर प्रथम स्थान प्राप्त करवाया। ऐसे हम भी भिन्न भिन्न क्षेत्रों में, कोई आवश्यक नहीं कि एक ही क्षेत्र में, मेडिकल क्षेत्र है, अपना चिकित्सा विज्ञान का क्षेत्र है, पदार्थ विज्ञान है, रसायन विज्ञान है, गणित शास्त्र है, संगणक विज्ञान है, भूगर्भ विज्ञान है, ज्योतिष शास्त्रम, वास्तु शास्त्रम, कला शास्त्रम, अर्थशास्त्रम, राजनीति शास्त्रम, अंतरिक्ष विज्ञानम, जो कुछ भी हमारे पास है सब विज्ञान ही है। ज्ञानम विज्ञान सहितम, हम बोलते हैं वेद ज्ञान के भंडार हैं। तो वेदों में ज्ञान है तो ज्ञान का मतलब विज्ञान है। ज्ञानम विज्ञान सहितम, जो ज्ञान है वो विज्ञान के सहित ही है, लेकिन हमें उसको अध्ययन करने की आवश्यकता है। और वो समस्त ज्ञान संस्कृत भाषा में है, इसलिए जो उस ज्ञान को प्राप्त करने की चाबी है वो संस्कृत है। यदि आप संस्कृत भाषा का ज्ञान प्राप्त करते हैं तो समझिए आप संपूर्ण ज्ञान राशि जो वेद विद्या है उसकी चाबी, उसकी की आपके हाथ में आ गई, तो आप अध्ययन कर सकते हैं किस किस शास्त्र में क्या क्या वर्णित है, क्या क्या हमारे लिए उपयोगी है, इस पे हम क्या क्या नया अनुसंधान कर सकते हैं। तो अधिकः कालः नास्ति, अधुना अहं धन्यवाद ज्ञापनाय अत्र अस्माकं विश्वविद्यालयस्य आचार्याः डॉक्टर सुनीता कुमारी महोदयां निवेदयामि। कृपया अस्माकम् अतिथि महोदयानां, कुलपतिवर्याणाम् अपि च ये केऽपि अस्मिन् कार्यक्रमे प्रत्यक्षरूपेण साहाय्यं सहकारं कृतवन्तः सर्वेषां धन्यवाद ज्ञापनं करोमि।
Good afternoon, all of you. First, I want to wish you a happy Sanskrit Day. Before saying both of them, I want to say 2 lines. This workshop brings me back to my childhood days. Definitely, I felt like a child while learning Sanskrit language. My sincere thanks to our Honorable Vice Chancellor, S.A. Kori Garu, for gracing the occasion of Sanskrit Day as a chief guest. Thank you, sir, for your thought-provoking message. And also, I extend my thanks to Dean Professor G. Ramareddy Garu and Professor Hanuman Kennedy Garu. And I would like to thank convener of this program, Dr. Vishal Prasad. And I would also like to thank Shilpa for her good message and Pramila for your shlokas and meanings. And finally, I would also like to thank all the senior faculty, coordinators, faculty and students.
धन्यवादः। इदानीम् अस्माकं कार्यक्रमः अन्तिमे चरणे अस्ति। अस्माकं कुलपति महोदय उक्तवान् सर्वेभ्यः एकं पुस्तकं वयं विश्वविद्यालये पक्षतः दद्मः, तदर्थं 600 पुस्तकानां क्रयणं कुर्मः। 600 पुस्तकानि वयं स्वीकुर्मः। भवतां सर्वेभ्यः विश्वसंस्कृतदिवसम् उपलक्ष्य उपहारस्वरूपं। परञ्च तत् पुस्तकं स्वीकृत्य गृहे न स्थापनीयं, तस्य नित्यं स्वाध्यायः करणीयः। तत्र आचार्यः उक्तवन्तः मातृदेवो भव, पितृदेवो भव, आचार्य देवो भव, अतिथि देवो भव, स्वाध्यायान् मा प्रमदः, आचार्याय प्रियधनमादित्य, प्रजातन्तुं मा व्यवच्छेत्सि, असतो मा सद्गमय, तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय, मृत्योर्मा अमृतं गमय इत्यादीनि यानि वाक्यानि सन्ति तानि अस्माभिः स्वस्य दैनन्दिनजीवने नित्यजीवने आचरणीयानि। अतः अत्रैव वयं शान्तिमन्त्रेण अस्य कार्यक्रमस्य शान्तिं सम्पूर्तिम् उद्घोषयामः। कुलपति महोदयस्य आज्ञया एषः कार्यक्रमः अत्रैव समाप्तिं प्रति गच्छति। शान्तिमन्त्रं वदामः, सर्वे मिलित्वा वदामः। प्रथमम् अहं वदामि, पुनः भवन्तः वदन्तु। ॐ सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः।
ॐ सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः।
सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः।
सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः।
सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु।
सर्वे भद्राणि भद्राणि पश्यन्तु
मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत्।
मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत्।
ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः।
ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः।
किञ्चित् उच्चैः जय घोषं कुर्मः। संस्कृतदिवसः अस्ति। अहं भिन्न शब्दान् वदामि, भवन्तः संस्कृतभाषा इति वदन्तु। जयतु जयतु संस्कृतभाषा। जयतु जयतु
संस्कृतं भाषा।
वदतु वदतु
संस्कृतभाषा।
अस्माकं भाषा
संस्कृतभाषा।
वेदभाषा
संस्कृतभाषा।
वैज्ञानिकी भाषा
संस्कृतभाषा।
सङ्गणकस्य भाषा
संस्कृतभाषा।
भारतस्य भाषा
संस्कृतभाषा।
विश्वभाषा
संस्कृतभाषा।
मातृभाषा
संस्कृतभाषा।
देवभाषा
संस्कृतभाषा।
पठतु पठतु
संस्कृत पठतु।
लिखतु लिखतु
संस्कृतभाषा।
वदतु वदतु
संस्कृतभाषा।
जयतु जयतु
संस्कृतभाषा।
धन्यवादः। नमो नमः। सर्वेभ्यः धन्यवादः।